Wow, this air fryer is a beast. Look at this salmon. What's going on, people? I'm Donnie with Sculpting Fit Bodies, and I'm bringing you guys another dope air fryer video recipe. In today's video, I'm making crispy air fried salmon in my new Breville Smart Oven Air. To make this recipe, you only need a few simple ingredients. Y'all know I like to keep it healthy yet simple. You need salmon, cornmeal, lemon pepper, garlic, paprika, salt, avocado oil spray. Add seasoning to cornmeal and mix thoroughly. Spray both sides of the salmon with avocado oil. This is a technique that I like to call drop and roll. So you drop the salmon into the cornmeal mixture. You can coat one side, roll it down, then you roll again until you cover all four sides of the salmon. Lastly, spray again with avocado oil. Now preheat your air fryer. I'm setting the temperature at 400 degrees and preheating it for 5 minutes. Remember, this may vary based on the make and model of your air fryer. Add your salmon to the air fryer rack and cook it to medium, which takes about 8 minutes. Wow, this air fryer is a beast. Look at this salmon. Now let's taste it. Now that's good. You're still getting that crunch that I mentioned earlier, while the center is still nice and moist, because ain't nothing worse than an overcooked piece of salmon. This recipe was quick and easy. It was super simple. It doesn't take a whole lot of effort to create salmon like this. Now let's talk about this air fryer. This is what I like about it. It's easy to use, it's powerful, it has a large cooking capacity, it can get up to 480 degrees. However, it doesn't come at a cheap price point. It is about $400 US, but in my opinion, it's well worth it because it does so many different things and it's just a fantastic product. I give this salmon and this Breville Smart Oven Air 2 thumbs up. Once again, this is Donnie with Sculpting Fit Bodies, flexing those kitchen strong skills. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if this is your first time here, hit the notification bell to be updated when we post new content. Till next time, check you guys later. Peace.